and this, das macht er, das macht ihr, das macht ihr بعضنا, this, and yes, حول, هل نحن بصدد التحول أم نحن نواصل التحول and B TK's trap junction in the technimas entering the field. Entering the field, and it's been a time that we didn't enter this space because life sometimes we must deal with life and what is happening inside our lives and what is the movement and the action that needs to be done so we could level up and we could evaluate, but we always get back to the zone to share some love through my way of sharing love and participating inside this society is by doing this. What I am doing right now is my way to serve in this moment, and I have only this way for the moment. Okay, سنقوم ببعض الحركات، وهذه الحركات لتحريك ماذا يوجد وسط المحرك.
What are you doing? I'm doing the color of love. Do you know about the color of love? What is the color of love? The color of love is something that you do that you don't understand what it is. Because the color of love is something mysterious. Mysterious, my friend. My friend, the color of love is mysterious. Don't wait for it. Just go to the color of love. Just go to the...
I don't want to introduce myself too much because at certain point when I introduce myself too much, I get stuck inside the introduction and I don't get inside the, I just stay in the introduction. But the introduction is just a part, and then we get into yes, huh, yeah. So what I am doing? Okay, if you ask what I am doing, let me ask you, what are you doing? Why I don't ask what are you doing, and I just ask myself what I am doing, and you ask me what I am doing, and I don't have an answer that is very clear and could be understood with the reason, for what I am doing, because what I am doing, what I am doing is, I'm doing. And but when I do the thing that I am doing, it feels like I'm doing the thing that is mm, uh, mm, the right thing that I could do, but I don't know what I'm doing. What I'm doing, I'm doing every day that I am doing the thing that I am doing every day, but I don't know what to do every day. But every day I do something that is the same thing that I did yesterday, but it's not the same because it's different because it's another day. But from where to come the idea from where to come it comes from somewhere that is comes for all the ideas comes from from that where it is coming the all idea but الشقنينيش والشقنانوش ولقد ذهب شقنافوش مع شقنافوته فمات ولم يجد نفسه إلا وهو يبحث عن شقنافوته يعني كنت أبحث عن شيء لم أبحثه بعد ولذلك أنا كنت أبحث عنه ولكنني بحثت فيه ولكن لم أجد إجابة هل وجدت إجابة للبحث متاعك؟ ولا عملت لنا exposé il faut un exposé, il faut qu'on s'expose, tu vois, il faut qu'on communique, il faut c'est bon, on est là, on est dans cette période de vie, tu vois, où on peut parler du tout, tu vois, où on peut échanger tout, tu vois. Donc j'ai pensé de te laisser, comme beaucoup, de te laisser, et je vais communiquer avec vous à travers cette véhicule, tu vois, sous l'arbre. Je prends un café, un poussin, et puis je pars, je cherche mon poussin, et je le prends du coussin, et je le mets
To Colomidus, to
dans le coussin.
capitalize, different bows, and when we have in the bows, then pyramidons and if allows enemies of a bows and the pies on the fallers, and the color on the eel. Yes, we can take in the kaka and the kiki in the raba and the rabo and jen do the kiss.
But somehow we can say that this is a new version of me that I am discovering, and maybe we will discover together, and like that maybe you find something that you will also discover inside yourself and you share it with us, and like that we get back to the unity and stop being separated, and we support each other, by love, by doing whatever we must do, Everyone has something to do, a certain ability that is unique from all the others, and that it's what we need now. We need to be creative to find solution, so the next generations could live, why we make an end to this human race. But yes, maybe you say why I am saying this, and I don't have like who is me, and yes, what is the solution, and like but we are participating, everyone is participating with his mindset, how you see things, how you perceive things, how you deal inside your life, how you act with everybody, how you handle yourself. All of that is very important inside this game of the human, and we learn from each other. So now I am a student, and as I study, I teach, and when I teach, I study. So we are in this perception of student, teacher, student, and
te ma vede como te kalama te ma ko sama te kalama te como te kalama bien te kalama se que te fala ba to kala ako te pala pe que te ka ho te kalama se que te pala te kalama ni mi sa ko te pala pa to se mi te fa kalama que te pita fa kalama me te pala pa que كنت بفيك بيتي بحاجة فخلف سحد حفل سكوت بافين سكوت منينة سكوت باتو سكوت مكة سكوت فوكو ني كان موتو كونو موتو.
Yes, let me sing for you something that it's never been singed before. Okay. Ok, c'est bien, c'est bien, c'est bien parfois de faire le rien. On est sous le soleil qui, elle chante toujours pour nous, tu vois. C'est la vie, mon ami. Et oui, j'essaie, toujours j'essaie d'être moi. Et ça va pas finir, tu vois. Ça finit lorsque je pars à l'autre monde. Et là, je mets un point pour cette recherche de travers cette vie. Et puis je retourne quelque part que j'ai oublié. Et j'essaie de me rappeler, tu vois. Mais parfois on se rappelle pas, mais parfois on oublie. Et il faut accepter ça. Il faut accepter. Il faut accepter de pleurer parfois. Il faut qu'on pleure parfois, tu vois. Il faut qu'on pleure. C'est des médicaments. Ces médicaments, c'est des médicaments du corps. Tu vois, le corps, il a ses médicaments pour combattre toutes ces émotions, ces obstacles. Mais à la fin, il faut qu'on trust whatever it is around us, my friend. But let me ask you a question. My question for you is, do you spirit pampus with the piripip, but are you inside the cliff? It is a very spiritual question, and when you answer it, you find the why you are here, and you level up you close all the mission, and you could die. Salam alaikum, تصبح على خير, good night everybody, I finished my life, I don't need anything, I understand everything, and yes, everything is, I understand everything, you know, it's me, monsieur, je sais tout. C'est pas grave, do not understand everything, and let it be as it want to be, and not, every time, you just need sometimes to sleep, motherfucker. But You want to understand everything. You want to make just the juice and everything. You want to understand it from all these sides. Huh? But do you look this side? But maybe you look from this side. Well, let me look from this side. Or mix on the fire. This is the mosquitoes. You know? Do you want to understand why the mosquitoes is turning around me?
Sakana moto. Oh, the mistake.
Le moustique. Moustique? I will kill the moustique. Don't worry. I will kill the moustique. Oh, the moustique! Because the moustique is a killer. Hello, fella. Goodbye.
And make it clear for you a scientific conclusion. Quantitative research. What the fuck? Calm down. We take it as speaking us, speaking if. We take it as mosquitoes. You are so big and you are hit me in the front of my face as a bee. She that sucked me and everybody. Okay. So we don't have to understand everything. And whenever you understand, remember that you don't understand. Because if you understand everything, life will be hard. For real. So, sometimes some ignorance is good. But not too much ignorance and it's in the balance, in the between. Ooh.
Sakana moto.
I am walking on the ground. The ground is walking on the rock. I walk on the ground is walking under of me. She's turning, but she's turning very slowly. She's very still, so I could not feel. I just walk and walk and walk to the unknown. And then I turn around, and I see the beauty around of me. I can see the beauty inside of me. I can see the beauty around of me. I can see the beauty inside of me. Yes, I am beautiful, and you are beauty, yok. Let us be in our beauty and respect our be. Because we are experiencing whatever is experiencing us, and we don't have to take it so much seriously. We need to be joyful and play. It's been a long time I didn't play. Now I back to play. Not PlayStation. No, play with your buddy, motherfucker. PlayStation with your stuck. Play with your buddy. Play with your buddy. Your buddy play with you. T'as la PlayStation, ça avait la PlayStation. Pas de paix. Moi je dis ce que je veux dire. Tu veux prendre mon pas moi comme on a des boules de risque, tu vois. On est différents. Chacun il a sa source. Chacun il a son point fort et ses points faibles. Il faut juste les connaître et travailler avec eux. Tu vois. On ne va pas ici dans un coin où il y a leur bras et on l'a oublié. Et puis, on se s'en distancier de nous-mêmes trop, tu vois. Faut toujours essayer, petit à petit, à s'approcher à nous-mêmes. Parce que nous-mêmes, à l'intérieur, il y a du magique. Ici, c'est le magic power qui, tout le monde veut le trouver à l'extérieur. Mais il est trop close to you. It's very here.
Habibi, 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 Habibi. Thank you very much. It was a small session. I don't know if I will do more, because right now I am easy, and then like I will be tuku, and come back to krim, birim, 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 birim. But for sure we will meet together. For sure we will meet again inside this station. This is my station, and I will keep sharing on my station, so you can station on your station, and we be station Ishin, Bishin, Tishin, Here I don't want you to understand nothing. I don't want you to get my words, I'm speaking without speaking, I'm not pronouncing the words as you want them to be pronounced, so you could get them directly with your identity. I'm speaking in the other language that I don't know even, because even me, I am like you, my friend. Don't you think that I am walking and I get down and I enter inside the wall and I fuck myself and I fuck another self, and it's life, motherfucker. We are together. We are humble. We are one. There is nothing of supermarket or what's called super mechanism, or il y a pas du super héros. Tu vois, on est chacun super, tu vois. Mais on le garde parfois, et on soit dans le normal. Mais pas en temps super. Supermarché, c'est bien. Hein? Oui, supermarché, c'est tu marches avec une super. C'est pas dans le marché. So, this is a new space. This is a new nature that she's welcoming me. I hope so. I hope that I am very quiet. I still didn't. Then I will be.
Hello, excuse me. Where can go to center of Amsterdam? Central Station, the subway. If you go towards that bus boundary, for the like behind the building is a plaza. There's a train stops. Most of them all go to Central Station. Okay, so I go to there, and then swing around the line and take a train.
Salam alaikum. Call hello whenever you say hello. 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 Say hello whenever you say goodbye. Say hello whenever you say goodbye. Say hello whenever you say goodbye. Either the goodbye is the hello is the same hello. وهلا لو تعبتي يا حياتي. وهلا لو يا هلا. وهلا لي Hello. Let me turn around you and check you, breathe in, breathe out before finishing. And yes, give us a hello, say something, and We will always try to say whatever is saying. يلا حبيبي شيك شيك.